Hello and welcome back to the channel. Just a quick reminder before we get started that if you would like to solve these along with me, there is a link down in the description, and you can also just search for it on Amazon. So it looks like today we're doing puzzle number 97. Let's start with this box. We're missing 2, 3, and 5. We've got a 3 here. So 2, 5, 3 here. So 2, 5, and that means our 3 has to be here. If we look at this column, we're missing 2, 4, and 5. We've got a 4 and 5 there, so this is our 2. We've got a 4 there, so 5 and 4. This box then, we're missing a 1, 5, and 6. We've got a 6 here, so 1, 5. We've got a 5 here with that 6. This is our 1, 5, 6. And that 5 makes this our 2 and our 5. For this column then, looks like we're missing a 3 and a 7, and I don't see any help. So 3, 7, 3, 7. For this column, looks like we're missing a 1, 2, and 9. We've got a 9 here. So 1, 2, but no other help. So 1, 2, 9, 1, 2, 9. For this row, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We're missing 6 and 9. We've got a 9 there. So this is our 6 and our 9. For this row, looks like we're missing a 1, 4, and 6. We've got a 1 and 6 here, so this is our 4, 6 here, so 1 and 6. For this box then, looks like we're missing 2, 3, and 8. We've got a 3 here, so 2, 8, and a 3 there, so 2, 8. So our 3 must be here. For this box, looks like we're missing a 1, 4, and 5. We've got no help here. 1, 4, 5. We've got a 1 here, so 4, 5, and no help here. 1, 4, 5. If we look at this row, we're missing a 1, 2, and 6. We've got a 6 here and a 1 here. So this must be our 2, which makes this our 1 and 6. We can get rid of our 1s here and here. If we look at this column up, that 2 then makes this our 8 and our 2. So then for this column, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. For this box then, we're missing 1, 7, and 8. We've got a 1 here, so 7, 8. No help here, 1, 7, 8. And an 8 here, so 1, 7. For this row, looks like we're missing a 2 and a 4. We've got a 2 here, so 4 and 2. For this column, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4. We're missing 5, 7, and 8. We've got a 7 here, so 5, 8, and no help here, so 5, 7, 8. Just to finish out this box, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4. We're missing 5, 7, 8, 9. We've got a 7 and a 9 here, so 5, 8. And no help here. Up, we have that 5 up there. So this is our 8, 5, 7, 9. That 7 makes this our 8. So we can get rid of this 8 here. If we do this row, 1, 2, 3, we're missing 4 and 6. We've got a 6 here. So 4 and 6. And we can get rid of this 4 here. For this box then, we're missing 2, 5, and 8. We've got a 2 here. So 5, 8, and 8 here. So 2, 5, and an 8 here, 2, 5. So our 8 has to be here. For this column then, we're missing 1, 2, and 5. And we've got no help here. So 1, 2, 5. For this column, we're missing 2, 3, 4, and 5. We've got no help there. So 2, 3, 4, 5. We've got a 4 and 5 here. So 2, 3. For this column, we're missing 1, 4, and 5. We've got 4 and 5 there. So this is our 1. But no help there. So 4, 5. All right, so now we just need to dig through here again. For this row, the only place I see the 9 can be is here. So 9, and that makes this our 2. That 2 makes this our 3. So we can get rid of this 3 up. And that 3 makes this our 7 and 3, and the 7 makes this our 1 and 7. That 1 means we can get rid of this 1. And this 1. All right, and it looks like the only place in this column our 1 can be now is here. And I guess we're just gonna have to take a guess again. I don't see any other way to solve this one. So we'll make this our 5 and our 2. That would be 2. And so then we'll make this our 5, 4, 5, 4. All right, it looks like that one worked out. Thank you so much again for joining me today. I hope you have a really good day, and I will see you back here tomorrow with our next puzzle.